Hi, I'm Scarlett with Moss Wellness, and today we're here partnering with OrthoLazer for our Better Together series. In this episode, we will be talking about knee arthritis, one of the most common causes of chronic pain and stiffness. We'll also touch on how both manual therapy and strengthening exercises, together with MLS therapy, can help our patients recover faster, but also help them get back to their normal lives without pain and improved mobility. So with knee arthritis, what happens is the cartilage that is inside the joint starts to break down, causing inflammation and stiffness in our patients, especially when we're standing, walking, or going up the stairs. And really, our goal here with Moss Wellness and OrthoLazer is really to help our clients reduce their pain, improve their mobility, and strengthen those muscles around the knee. So what will carry you through our video is really that work that is complemented between both our services, but also we're going to add on a special treatment, which is strengthening those muscles. So today I'm going to walk you through 3 muscles that I really like to focus on when a patient comes in after their laser therapy and that they're experiencing that knee arthritis. It will work on that quadricep, but particularly the vastus medialis oblique, which is to the side. And then I'm going to turn my patient sideline to cover the TFL and the IT back. Okay? And then we'll also end with one strengthening exercise that you can either do at home, but once you come into our sessions, we carry you through the whole treatment. All right, so what I will do is start to soften the tissue, especially focusing on that quadricep, that rectus femoris, but also that vastus medialis oblique, which is located here. So once I do warm the tissue up, I'm going to do a couple, get my client in that space, but also helping my client's nervous system to calm down and let me in as the therapist. Couple strokes to warm it up. All right, I can go in with my paw to get a little deeper. But the beauty about this is once my client has already come in from their laser therapy treatment, it really allows me not to dig so deep, but just to be more intentional with my work and my pressure. So I'm going to do a couple of these, adding some pressure here. How does that feel? Using my thumb to feel that vastus medialis. And for the sake of our video, I'm not doing the full treatment, so a little bit more of that effleurage, and then getting into that pressure point using my thumb. What this does is really starts to soften this particular muscle that gets inhibited with knee arthritis pain. We're using it a lot. So we go right here around the knee because we have some attachment right here. Okay. Once I do that, I'm prepping my patient to do that strengthening exercise. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually put the towel underneath her knees, and what I'm going to have her do is press down and then bring that toe into that dorsiflexion. And dorsiflexion means we're trying to get that toe to the shin, right? So tighten that quad, and now let's, yep, perfect. There's a little lift. That's good. We can keep it there. Keep pushing down towards it. Yes, that's it. So we can get the camera to zoom in. You can see that her heel is off the table, and that's what we want to do. So relax, nice, and do it again. Beautiful. So we would do this a couple of times, 15 to 20 repetitions. 2 to 3 times on each side. And what this is doing is it's strengthening that quad muscle, that rectus femoris, and also that vastus medialis. And indirectly as well, utilizing a little bit of that IT band. Perfect. All right, once I've had my client in that supine position for this quad set, which is a strengthening exercise, I'm going to have my client turn over into that sideline position, and I'll have her place that inner thigh and calf on the foam roller. And now I get to work on the second muscle, which is that IT band. But I'm not going to work directly on the IT band, but anteriorly and then posteriorly. So I'm going to start, same thing, every work that we do, we want to warm it up. If she didn't have a pants, we would be going in with some lotion or oil to warm it up. All right, get all the way to the glute area because we're also going to get there. All right, a couple of these posteriorly. How's the pressure? Good. Always you want to ensure that you're getting that movement, full range of motion all the way to attachment. Nice. We'll do the same thing and pressing down anteriorly. These are all those overworked muscles when our patients experience knee arthritis. All right, once I've done that work here, I'm going to try to find her TFL. So right here, adding some pressure. Using my thumb. If that pressure is, I can still keep going. I can add a little bit of my elbow or forearm. A little too much? No, it's good. So the first key to our work is that we encourage our patients to visit OrthoLazer with their MLS laser therapy first, because what that does is that light energy that targets deep tissue, and it allows for the reduction of inflammation, the promotion of circulation, as well as that cellular repair. And so when we do that work, it can transfer over to that manual therapy that we do here at Moss Wellness. And then we begin the work of strengthening those muscles, because there's one thing that we stretch the muscle, but we also have to build strength so that we build good mobility for any of those muscles that we are experiencing. And today is the knee, but indirectly all of those muscles that are connected, like the quadricep, or known as the vastus medialis oblique, which we will be working a lot on, as well as that IT band located on this lateral side, and the TFL as well.
Hey everybody, I'm Audrey, the Center Director over here at OrthoLazer in Woodbridge, Virginia. Thank you for watching our Better Together series, where Moss Wellness and OrthoLazer unite to redefine your recovery. To learn more about how laser therapy and Moss Wellness can support your healing journey, click the link below to schedule a consult with OrthoLazer or reserve your next step towards recovery at Moss Wellness. Together, we're redefining recovery.